This is the sunroom I was telling you about. This is the walkover here. You can kind of see it. The sunroom has a, you know, a view, spectacular view. This was, in my opinion, an illegal add-on, mainly because that's the living room there, and that's, why would you have a window? That makes no sense. You've got a window here into the kitchen, and again, more cabinet space on this side. I don't know if they work or not, but they're there. You got a door there, which is an outswing, weather-resisted door with weather strips here. You see there, and then just want to kind of give you this thing, but you do have some views from this point. And then right here, there used to be a here. There used to be a deck because there's a door. There used to be a very large deck right there, but they ripped it off because the doors are there, and there was a deck right there. And then there's the walkover to that deck. That walkover does not belong to this property. You would have to entertain an agreement with the people next door for the purpose of using that right there.